The 2007 Toyota Tacoma. This is a pickup truck powered by a V6 engine with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This four-wheel drive pickup truck with fewer than 65,000 miles on the odometer gets up to 21 miles per gallon. This Toyota features privacy glass, running boards, and tilt wheel. Safety features include fog lights, four-wheel ABS, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power steering, sliding rear window, and power mirrors. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Vehicle Program. It's the smart choice.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a clean Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.